What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an oil change on a 1980 Honda NC50, also known as the Honda Express. It is a very easy process, but if you do anything a little wrong or incorrectly, you will possibly have some potential issues with your motor. So make sure not to skip any parts of this video. And with that, guys, let's get right into it and change the oil on this 1980 Honda NC50. Off of an actual NC50 manual, if you go down to the transmission right here, oil capacity, it wants 0.75 liters or 750 milliliters of 10W40. So that's exactly what we're going to use. Realistically, too, all you need is a 14 millimeter and a 10 millimeter. And I got a couple of extra things just to help make this process a lot easier. And there's the oil that I'm using if you're curious. And it's always a nice idea to warm the motor up before actually draining the oil because it will drain a little bit nicer. This bolt back here, it's got a Phillips head on it. This is going to be your drain bolt. So go ahead and take that off. And while that's draining out, we're good to go ahead and take off our fill bolt. This is the 14 millimeter. Alrighty, so it's still dropping a little bit of oil, but I'm going to call that good. As you guys can see, it's a little under 400. I'm still going to be putting in around that 750 just to be safe going off of that manual. So you're good to go ahead and put that drain plug back in there. And now it's time to add our oil. The reason I have this around, it's actually a lot easier to get this in the space. So this is really just a measuring tool for today. And this is what I'm actually going to use to fill it up. You can get these from Walmart. They're like literally 99 cents. And again, that's where your fill plug is. So it's a really weird spot. And that's why I kind of like to use these bottles. As you guys can see, that's a weird situation. But then you can just squeeze it in there and you should be all set. With all of our oil in, you're good to go ahead and make sure that you put this exactly where you found it. And there you guys go. That's how you change the oil on a Honda NC50. I hope that this video helped. And if it did, please feel free to leave a thumbs up down below. And if you guys just enjoy moped content in general, maybe hitting that subscribe button. As always, guys, I really hope that this video helped you guys out a lot. Enjoy this upcoming riding season, and as always, ride safe.